The Swiss water process requires the careful use of water, temperature, and time to remove caffeine from green coffee in order to retain the quality, taste, and characteristics in the unroasted coffee. One of the core steps in the Swiss water process is to introduce our internally developed green coffee extract, or GCE solution, to green beans. GCE is created by soaking an initial batch of green beans in pure water. These beans will be composted, but only after all of their water-soluble solids, including caffeine, saturate the water. The coffee solids are removed by passing the water through our proprietary carbon filtration until all the caffeine is trapped and separated. We now have GCE, a solution of all water-soluble solids found in green coffee except caffeine. That's important to how this all works. So, let's take a look at a batch of beans to be decaffeinated. First, green coffee is cleaned and pre-soaked in warm water to expand the cell structure in preparation for caffeine extraction. Then, our caffeine-free GCE is introduced to that green coffee. At this point, only the beans contain caffeine and the GCE does not. This concentration imbalance triggers the caffeine to migrate from the green beans to the GCE through a process called diffusion. All other soluble compounds in the beans are at equilibrium with the GCE, so they remain unchanged. No flavors are lost. Only caffeine leaves the bean. Our GCE is now saturated with caffeine and sent to carbon filtration for caffeine removal. It is once again caffeine-free and able to be used repeatedly. This process continues until the coffee is confirmed to be 99.9% caffeine-free. The coffee is sent to a dryer, then bagged and shipped. Throughout the process, caffeine levels are closely monitored by tracking time, temperature, and GCE flow. Using advanced scientific systems and controls, we adapt our process for every batch. Ultimately, our Q graders have the final say on how we did. They sample, roast, and cup each batch pre- and post-decaffeination to verify that the Swiss water process leaves the coffee's unique taste and flavor characteristics intact. It's quite a process, and it's worth it.